would they really feel impacted by our loss? Ahmad bin Hanbal, when he left this world, there was 1.2 million people there for him because he was a man that served humanity, understood that he was a mind, worked day and night to utilize this mind for the potential of the people around him. There was a man that finally we witnessed last week when he was laid to rest. 1.5 million people were there for his janazah. And there was 500,000 people that were stuck in traffic only within a 1 to 2 mile radius from that place where they had the funeral. What did he do? Was he a rich person? Was he on social media? Did he have Facebook followers? Did he have Twitter followers? He had nothing. He did not have any social media account. People laid him to rest. Nobody even knows who he is. But he had one thing, and that was yet the pleasure of Allah. He served mankind day and night. So today, my brothers and sisters in Islam, in this conference, if you can get up with this intention, that my life is not just for myself. I have to understand that my life is for the service of my Creator. And I will give up everything I have to make Him happy. And I conclude by Umar bin Abdul Aziz what he said. He said, every single time I wanted something in my life, I got it. I saw this beautiful lady by the name of Fatima bint Abdul Malik. I said, I want to marry her. And I married her. I wanted the most clothes. I got all the clothes. I wanted to be the governor of Medina. I became the governor of Medina. And he says, today I become the Khalifa of the world. And now all I want is to make my Allah happy. That's all I want. And 2.5 years when he was laid to rest, a small paper came from the sky on his body that says, Bara'atun min Allah wa Rasulihi li Umar bin Abdul Aziz min an-nar. That Allah has secured and promised that Umar bin Abdul Aziz will be saved from the fire of Jahannam. Rahimahullah. So there's some of us that are sitting in this gathering, we could be the next Shaykh Abdul Wahab. None of us, this gathering would not take place if it was not for his service for my father. If it was not for this man, my father, he says, I saw him one day and I changed my life. How Allama Iqbal, he says, there are some nigahe marde mu'min se badal jati hain taqdeerein. There are some people, you just see them and your life changes. We're being dishonest and we're being disloyal to the public around us. If we actually develop iman and understand our mind, the non-Muslims around us, right when they see us, they will accept Islam. Like how they saw the Sahaba, and upon seeing them, they change their lives. Today we have to speak, write books, philosophical arguments, debates, comments. But we should be people that when they see us, when you see the sun, you cannot deny the sun. And that is why the ummah has been given the example of Siraj and Munir. We are the suns that are lighting up the world. Allah make us among those who understand our talents, understand our potential, make an effort to take this out from our lives. How many more mothers are going to sleep at night with their kids being dishonest and disrespectful to them? How many more tears do these ladies have to shed? How many more tears do these fathers have to shed that their kids, who they gave everything to, that have kalima la ilaha illallah, don't understand their value? How many more masjids have to fight over politics? How many more scholars have to slander each other? What are we waiting for? Enough is enough, and it starts by understanding that we are ma'dans, we are minds, and at the moment we understand that, we have to make an effort in order to benefit from it. Allah make us among those who can make that effort. Jazakallahu khairah.